Hello and welcome to the Season 3 clip show of Microwave Me. As you can see, it's snowing, and it's snowing fairly decently, and I hope this keeps up because I'm a huge fan of the snow. However, it is not very conducive to microwaving. This is what I was a race against time against. Now, you can see why I sort of rushed the Season 3 finale. Now, I'll let you watch the clip show of all of Season 3's highlights from all 55 experiments. Or 54. So many I lost count. I'm going to be doing the aerosol can and cooking oil that I promised last season. I'm going to be doing empty water bottles. I'm going to be doing Christmas lights, a potato, lettuce, a Works toilet bowl cleaner, a battery, pipe cleaners, and many, many more items. Captain Microwave welcomes you to the Season 3 debut of Microwave. Thank you for watching the clip show of Microwave Me, and we'll be back in March with some even more exciting items, and we're not going to be able to be filming in there anymore, but that's okay because the excitement factor is going to more than make up for it. Thank you for watching the 3rd season, and stay tuned for the 4th season, which will debut on March 14th.